My biggest takeaway from the Dale Carnegie course is don't argue with the inevitable. You will lead a happier life.
If you invest in other people and you genuinely try to understand things from their perspective, you have a new understanding and you can be genuinely relatable and interested and provide solutions that are really win-win.
All those life skills that you just don't learn in college or anywhere else, Dale Carnegie is kind of like the Bible for being successful.
From meeting people to having to disagree agreeably to delivering bad news or to sharing an emotionally charged conversation, there's just exceptional tools that can be applied in daily life.